Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I have an idea for you. I am working on a crib for this beautiful baby. Now, I bought this baby at a discount store on my way to the bus stop from my job, and I'm actually going to go back for another one because I want to give one of them to my granddaughter. And look at how cute. I did share a video with you on this baby, so you've seen it. Most likely you've seen it. And the point of this video is a crib. I want to work on a crib. So what I did was I went into one of my closets where I have all the stash for my creations, right? And I said, I have to find something that I can use to make a crib. I'll even make it. But then in looking, I found this crate, right? I had some cards in there. And I said to myself, well, maybe this would work. I can decorate it inside and out. So I wasn't too crazy that it's black, but that's not the problem because I can decorate it inside and out. And I did place the baby in here. It fits perfectly in there, right? But I kept on looking in that closet and found something better to use as a crib. Here we go. Look at this. A bone-shaped bowl for dog treats. And I had bought this at my favorite thrift store last year. And I did make a creation, probably maybe two creations with a dog inside and all that. But I had put it away. I forgot that I had it, and it's coming handy. It's coming in handy right now because baby fits perfectly in here. This is larger than the crate. Look at that. And of course, I'm going to be putting blankets in there, and there's going to be blankets under and around the baby. So it's the perfect size. Not only that, the color. It's so soft, the color, and it matches with the walls of the American Doll classroom. And it goes great with that flooring. So I want you to stay tuned because I am going to be converting this American Doll classroom into a beautiful baby girl room. And who knows, I might play around with this crate and transform it just to see how it looks. But I definitely like this better. So I hope that you stay tuned for the new look and for the baby crib. There are going to be other items in here. It's just going to be stunning. So I can't wait. I'm excited, about this project. And I hope that you stay tuned. So thank you so much for watching.